Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ban on the application of Slack. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Slack and you will answer. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.